In Bowling Green in a rematch of that bowl game, the GMAC Bowl 2 years ago in Mobile, Alabama, dominated by the Golden Hurricane then. Not so much domination today. Bowling Green with the first scoring opportunity, then trying for more on the flea flicker. Good coverage by the Golden Hurricane. Glenpool's Marco Nelson. Then first TU touchdown, G.J. Kenny goes down the sidelines for a streaking Charles Clay. Clay, touchdown. TU with the 10-7 advantage here. Then another interception, this one from another local product. McLean Sean Jackson with the interception, and TU is set up again. And then here is the run of the night. Charles Clay breaks more than a few tackles. Look at him rumble and gets himself deep into Bowling Green territory. And that's the give to Alex Singleton. He will score for TU. Now they're in command. And the final score, Kenny to the deep corner of the end zone. And Trey Johnson would make the catch for the touchdown, but TU goes on to win it 33-20.